Hey crypto enthusiasts! If you're looking to move your Bitcoin from your secure Ledger Nano X to Robinhood for trading or other purposes, this guide is perfect for you. We're focusing on the 2025 updates to make sure everything's current and straightforward. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, I'll break it down step by step so you can do this confidently and quickly. First, ensure your Ledger Nano X is fully set up and updated to the latest firmware. This is crucial for security and compatibility in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Also, make sure your Robinhood account is verified and ready to receive Bitcoin. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer or mobile device using the USB cable. Open the Ledger Live app and enter your PIN to unlock it. This gives you access to your wallet. Step 2. In Ledger Live, navigate to your Bitcoin account. You'll see your balance right there. Exciting to see your holdings. Step 3. Select the Send or Withdraw option. Now, head over to your Robinhood app or website. Go to the deposit section for Bitcoin and copy the unique wallet address provided. Double-check this address because crypto transactions are final and errors can lead to lost funds. Step 4. Back in Ledger Live, paste the Robinhood address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, and don't forget to review any network fees. These can vary based on 2025 network conditions. Step 5. Review all the details on your Ledger device screen. Once you're sure everything looks good, confirm the transaction by approving it on the Nano X itself for added security. After confirmation, the transaction will be sent to the Bitcoin network. It might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network traffic. Once it's done, check your Robinhood account to see your Bitcoin deposited. A quick tip: always prioritize security by using hardware wallets like Ledger and never share your recovery phrase. Thanks for watching this step-by-step tutorial. If you found it helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there.